My name is Omotunde Faith. I'm from Leo Junior College. I'm really happy to be here because I learned a lot of things. I learned on how to enhance yourself on the skill you have and building yourself more to it. And I'm very happy to be here. And I'll try to apply it to my daily activities and my real life and my way of life. Thank you.
The society will limit you, but you just have to resist. That's why we have a woman in leadership. There's always a difference between you have a man in that position of authority. So, what are we looking at? The traits for successful women in leadership, or the traits you need to look at. One of it says strong communication skill. As a woman leader, a boss, a mother, a wife, name it. You are already a woman in leadership, by such position. And you need a very good communication skill. If you don't communicate well with your spouse at home, you will always be fighting, isn't it? And I
just tell us one thing you learned from our session. Women empowerment is the key. Another round of applause for her. About African education. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, with a resounding applause, please let's make welcome Dr. Timmy Nadenika. She's going to be speaking about integrating global perspective into the Nigerian education sector. A round of applause for her. Let's keep and we sustain the applause. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Can you hear me clearly? You can. That's really good. It's a real pleasure to be here today. And I must say the wording of what I prepared is slightly different from what our beautiful MC has said. But we'll still be talking about globalization. We'll still be talking about us as Nigerians. No prejudice, no bias. I have to start with my school, Government College Academy. Mrs. Adelaja's very strong point is that we live in a society where women have not been given an opportunity to grow and do what they should do. Men have had that opportunity and that is great, and men should continue to have the opportunity. Raise your hand in this room if you're a young man. But a question that I want you to ask today, a question I want you to ask yourself today is, do I want only to be influenced by the world outside? Or is there something in my country that is useful to me? As you carry on with your education, does my country have anything to offer me? Does the world outside have anything to offer me? And what decision am I going to make about the two? Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. And you have any healthcare, hospitals, the equipment that is used in hospitals, the way in which we look after the sick, and so on, a lot of that comes from outside. We've got our ways of doing things, but a lot of it comes from outside. Is to think about what comes in from outside, globalization, what we have inside, what is local to us, and the idea of globalization. Okay. So when we're looking at being educated in a globalized world, need to think carefully about what we have locally, about what lessons we can learn, what knowledge we have, what skills we have, what values, beliefs, resources that we have, and have a way of valuing those as well. Because when you value those and the external influences come, you can make a decision. You know, am I going to throw all of this away and go and do it as they do it in Canada? Okay, you might want to do that, but many people who are in Canada want to come back, that's for sure. How should your education be? And also, who is going to help you? Who is going to guide you? Are you part of this process as well? Are you part of this process as well? Should your education be globalized or should it be localized? So the question is it only the outside world that has something to offer you for you to be able to advance and make progress? Or are there things in your country, in our country, that can also help you make progress? Who can help you? Can you help yourself? Do you have family who can help you? Can your teachers help you? Mrs. Adelaja said, Sorosoke. So if your teachers are saying things and those things are not really valuing what we have in Nigeria, oh, Niger factor, this is our country, only God will help us. Oh, we have terrible leaders. Oh, there's nothing good happening in this country. All that and all that and all that. But maybe, I'm not saying that is not true, but sometimes when you go outside and you see things that are outside, you actually learn to value what's inside. And I can tell you that from pure experience. So maybe if your teacher says something or your parents say something, as Mrs. Adelaja said, politely, not disrespectfully, politely and respectfully, you can also say, but we also have some things here. We also have things we value here. We have things that we can combine with ideas from abroad or ideas from other countries and, have something even better. But the whole idea about globalization is that you do not throw away what you have because of what's coming in from outside. Who else can help you? Can the government help you? Can your place of worship help you? So these are things for you to think about and make notes about and, add to your own plans.
So how many people here is looking forward to doing this workshop? What did you say? Everybody. I don't have everybody.
Okay, my name is Omoji Ibiadogo. And at first, when I was called out, I was speechless. I was not expecting it at all. Because they said randomly, so I was not expecting the scholarship. And for me to be chosen out of many, I want to say I'm really, really grateful. I do not take it for granted. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Alaze Favor. My name is Okonkwo Moyolua. So I'm here at the Omatech Foundation program seminar. So today I learned a lot of things actually. I learned how to be a leader. I learned tips for a healthy leader. I learned leadership, like human leadership. I learned a lot of things. I'm going to apply that in my daily life.
And I also learned a lot of things. Like as a leader, you must put in some skills of communication skills in your daily lives, and you must have emotional intelligence, and I'll try to apply it in my daily lives every day.
So I'd like to say a big thank you to Omatech Foundation for this opportunity to be here today.
Same here to me. I would love to say very big thanks to Omatech organization for bringing me through to learn a lot of things. Thank you very much.
Okay. Hello everybody, I am Dr. Temitope Ladenika, and I am Director of Pulse and Water Nigeria Limited, amongst many other roles that I have. And I am here today to speak to the young children about learning in a globalized world. This is really important because of the influences that globalization has had on our young people over the years. My connection with Omar Kate Joe comes from my connection with the CEO of Omar Kate Joe, Mrs. Omoyemi Nwafo, who is a dear friend and a classmate. We were both pioneers of this wonderful school in 1974, Government College Agege. And it's been a real privilege for me to support the work that she's doing in and through the Learner's Voice Conference. So my topic was about learning in a globalized world. And usually when we talk about globalization, it is a good thing, it could be a bad thing, but we can't really place a value on globalization. But in general, the thought and the feeling about the globalized world for the young people is there isn't anything for them in their country. They've got to go out somewhere else before they can achieve what they want to achieve. So when I was asked to speak about learning in a globalized world, I felt it was important to think about glocalization. Because with glocalization, you look at what you have within your own locality, you value what you have within your own locality, and then you see how external influences can develop what you have or help you to make what you have even better for you. And so what I've spoken to the young people today about is about globalization and glocalization, and using the Nigeria's coat of arms as a stimulus material to help them realize the things that we have that are really valuable and that can also propel them forward. For example, our dignity, our strength, our natural resources, and so on.